We can't predict the future, but we can help you be ahead of your time. With our ICT trainings, we increase the know-how and productivity for individuals and organizations. We offer both open courses and special tailored trainings, whether you need training in Azure cloud computing, AI technologies, or just need help expanding your ICT infrastructure. We can make it happen. We want to ensure that you gain the necessary skills to advance further in your career. Our courses also provide an excellent networking opportunity. Looking to expand your work-life competencies? Maintain your skills with our certificates. Prove your worth by staying up to date on technology and show that you are a continuous learner. We have been in the ICT training business since 1983 and are already looking beyond the information age of today. With our extensive and skilled trainer network, we constantly keep a close eye on the ICT industry's latest trends. As technologies emerge, we develop ourselves to be able to train and certify our customers. Strong experience, continuous development, and close cooperation with our customers makes us a digital change professional whose expertise can be trusted. Face the future. Take the next step. Be ahead of your time.